Hi. Sneaked below the radar, barely mentioned, commented upon, is the fact that this dying Tory government has decided to invest £242 million in a Tower Hamlets no-go area, another so-called regeneration. However, it's not an area of deprivation, but an extension of the Canary Wharf district, itself a literal dystopia, bounded by working-class Poplar and the south of the Isle of Dogs. The no-go aspect applies to any street homeless, beggars, fly pitchers, loitering youth, protesters, anyone who looks out of place unless they are providing a service. Just take a ride on the Docklands Light Railway to check out this expanding monstrosity, which certainly isn't in need of regeneration as it spreads its tentacles forever outward. Part of this so-called regeneration will be the construction of 8,000 presumably unaffordable luxury apartments, what else would they be, in a forbidden district where some of the mega wealthy residents have been complaining about the £30,000 per annum service charges. Apparently, as some of the banks who dominate the businesses of Canary Wharf are increasingly going online, no longer requiring physical premises as much, the idea of this investment is to create a scientific hub akin to a form of Silicon Valley. This will only result in further social cleansing, colonization by the world's wealthy, technocrats, oligarchs, their hangers-on, well-paid financial servants, all to the detriment of EastEnders who will gain nothing but lose plenty. This pales in comparison to what's planned in next door Newham. You can already witness the beginning of it in the Canning Town Silvertown stretch of the light railway, a £2 billion plus copycat regeneration where no proles will tread unless by permission or chance. Where is the indignation, the rising up and rebellion from the legions of Londoners living in dire circumstances against this never-ending encroachment, subsidised by successive regimes? And more to the point, whole regions such as the Red Wall, which continue to be ignored, bled dry of hope, and deliberately cast aside by the entire economic and political system. Where, when, under what circumstances will we finally arise from our slumber and start kicking off about our deliberate erasing from the entire body politic? Bye.